Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove professional account on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove professional account on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, we'll be required to tap on our profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, there's a three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and from over here guys, scroll down a bit and you can see your professional option available for us. You can see the third option where it says the creator tools and controls. Tap on it, and on this interface scroll down and you can find the switch account type, which is the fifth one from the last one guys. Tap on the switch account type and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to remove your professional account on Instagram, simply tap on the switch to personal account and then you will have removed the professional account on Instagram. And guys, this is how to remove your professional account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.